Uh, Hello guys, ladies and gentlemen. I want to share for you about insurance for today. Like, comment, and subscribe my videos, my channel to support me and me. I like that. Alright guys, why does sports car insurance cost more compared of the cost of insurance for a standard vehicle? Police for sports cars are more expensive. The cars are built for speed, which makes the likelihood of risky driving behavior and collisions higher. They also use more expensive parts, so cars reimburse more for the cost of repairs or replacement. All of this contribute to their costly premiums. So guys, uh, you see how much does car insurance cost for a sports car? The average cost of insurance for sports cars is one $1,726 per year on average, excluding the doggy challenge shares SRT Healthcare. Your premium will vary, however, depending on several factors. This include the make and model of your car and its age, your location, driving records, and credit score also all affect your rate. Now, you like this? You like it? You see what is the best company for sports car insurance? So, guys, the company offering the best job sports cars insurance uh, shit, depends of the type of where a vehicle of you have. Money gag evaluate multiple providers and identified the best company for 1 to 3 13 popular sports car models.
1, 2, 3, 3.
Okay guys, my videos, thank you very much.
Thank you for
Thank you,
watching.
thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I like you. Thank you guys, thank you.